So what do most people want to do with their free time? Well, probably vacation, right? But the challenge is time and money. Well, what if there was a way you could actually earn your vacations instead of having to pay for them? Well, my name is Jefferson Santos. I live in the Dallas, Texas area with my beautiful wife, Megan, and our two sons. And we had a challenge, and it was time and it was money. Matter of fact, this is the cash flow quadrant from Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And here's where I was at. And this is a lot of people, right? A lot of us. We're an employee. We have a job, and we're limited on our income because we only get paid when we work. And so what happens is a lot of people, they jump down and they say, hey, I want to be self-employed. I want to start my own business or my career. I want to be hairstylist, lawyer, doctor, whatever. But the challenge there is they only get paid when they work. And so the key thing, or where 95% of the wealth is on the right side of this quadrant here, where you own a system or a team where you're creating leverage for yourself. And eventually, we want to have our money making its money on its money's money as an investor, right? And so I was looking for a way that I could leverage myself. I was looking for a way that I can vacation and stuff, and I found a company out of Plano, Texas called World Ventures. It's a marketing and promotions company, part of the Inc. 5000, number 25 on the direct selling news, and their flagship product is Dream Trips. Basically, what we do is this. We get people on 4- and 5-star vacations at 2- and 3-star prices. It's a private-only VIP membership travel club, and last year, we did over 5,000 plus trips. We handle all the reservations and planning for our members, and the membership includes you and or a significant other and any children that might live in the household. And so we get multiple awards all around the world, and all that means is we're providing a ton of value in the travel space, but specifically for our members. And so what I want to do real quickly is not just tell you about it, but show you what we do for our members.
Came to check in right away. It was super easy. They had a check-in desk for Dream Trips only. That was right next to the front desk when we walked in. We got a room key, we got a gift, they had champagne for us.
So we went to the welcome party. We had amazing food, and meeting all the different people from different parts of the world was really nice, and we had a blast.
We just did the zip lining yesterday, and we did some of the zip lining right into the cenote, where we did some backflips and stuff. One of the most amazing experiences I've ever been a part of.
I mean, this place is Azul 5, but it really should be Azul 10 because it's been top-notch 10 service across the board.
Restaurants top-notch, service top-notch. This is probably one of the best dream trips we've been on, and it's my wife's birthday, so what better way to celebrate than come to a dream trip?
So we just had our dream trip to the Azul 5s here, and how was the food, babe?
It was awesome. The food was fantastic. The service was great. Everything was wonderful. I had a great time.
Yeah, you should be here. You got to book your next trip here. It's going to be awesome.
Yep, that's what we do. And here's some more examples. Here's Miami Beach, Florida, a cruise and sunset views, 4 days, 3 nights at a 5-star resort. Okay, you can see the public price and then the dream trip price, and you apply your points, which makes the member price $553. Now, what points are, there's several different ways you can earn points, and just understand this, they're $1 per point. 1-to-1 ratio, all right? And there's tons of ways we'll show you how to get points, but the cool thing is that you can buy these already low wholesale prices down even more. And how we do it is this, is if you went to the store and you bought a huge box of bottled waters, the price per unit is going to be a lot less than you just going to buy just one bottle of water, right? That's how the leveraging buying works, and that's how we're able to get these prices for our members. Here's some more examples. Playa del Carmen, Mexico, the Azul 5 Beach Resort, 5 days, 4 nights. Look at the member price, $449, all inclusive there, which is really, really nice. But we also include the airport transfers and a catamaran sailing as an excursion that's already included in there. All right, Santorini, Greece. This might be part of one of your bucket lists, right? 8 days, 7 nights at a 5-star resort. Look at the member price, $640. Here's another one, New Orleans, Louisiana. You're staying at the JW Marriott, which is an amazing resort. They have a tremendous brand all around the world. This includes a riverboat cruise. And if you're a platinum member, you get VIP brunch experience with reserved seating and champagne. Look at this. $224. Look at this one, Santa Barbara, California, wine tasting, 4 days, 3 nights. You're staying at the historic Hyatt Centric, private wine tour to 3 different vineyards. Make sure you pace yourself on this one. Member price, $364. It's amazing. And so look at this one, 11 days, 10 nights cruise. This is the Azamara Quest. This cruise line prides itself on staying in port longer so you can really experience all the cool things at all the different stops that it goes to. And it was featured in Condé Nast Traveler and Reader's Choice, all kinds of things this trip was featured in. But the member price is $3,600 right there, saving a ton of money for our members on that. And so one of the biggest questions I get is, okay, what if I can't go on a dream trip? Okay, what if my schedule didn't allow, because these are pre-planned trips all around the world at predestined dates, right? Well, what if you just want to go on a business trip or a weekend getaway or go see a friend at a wedding? Well, we have net rates for our gold and platinum members. And what net rates are is we negotiate with the hotel chains. We take out all the commissions and you get the lowest rate possible with those hotel chains. The other question I get is, okay, can you give me a good deal on airfare? Well, we all know that airfare is a commodity, but our rate shrinker technology, which is patent pending, is really awesome. It works like this. Let's say you're going from Dallas to Miami for a long weekend. You book your flight, you get your seat. For most people, transaction's over. Now you're just waiting for your flight. But with our website and what you get with the membership, when you book, it searches your itinerary every hour up until the day that you leave. Okay, if the rate drops below the rate that you booked it, we rebook you at the lower rate and refund your credit card the difference. So it's kind of like low airfare insurance, right? So that's really awesome. Also, when you go out to eat at our participating restaurants in the Dream Trips app, here's one of the cool things that happens. 30 to 50% of your food bill gets converted to Dream Trip points. And if you remember, that's dollar per point. You can use those to buy down the trips, which is really awesome as well. Also, you get access to our Dream Trip Rewards platform. So let's say you can't use your points on a trip because you're not traveling for the next few months. Well, guess what? You can buy down Toomey bags and all kinds of name brand products and TVs and buy down hotel nights too over here on our rewards platform, even cruises and houses as well. So it's really, really cool. You're able to do that in our Dream Trip Rewards platform. Let's break down the memberships real quick. So we got the gold and we got the platinum. So with the gold membership, you get access to all those trips I talked about, 5,000 plus trips. You get access to a 24 concierge service, the dining program, entertainment discounts, online shopping. When you shop online through our portal, you're going to earn points as well. And then you have access to the net rates. And so the membership is not thousands of dollars. As a matter of fact, it's not even $1,000. It's actually a one-time fee of only $200. One time, you get all that back in points immediately to use on a trip. And it's only $55 a month for your dues. And on your 1-year anniversary, you get 660 points waiting for you at the end of the year. And you can use those to buy down trips as well. Now, if you're one of those VIP type people and you want to upgrade, you can become a platinum member. You get access to all the stuff that the gold members do, but also you get early access, 7-day early access to all the trips before they come out to all the other members, extra platinum perks, exclusive platinum dream trips. We have an emergency evacuation service. It's kind of one of the benefits you never want to have to use, but you always want to have. If you get deathly ill or really hurt on a trip, we're going to fly you on a private medical jet back to the U.S. to get proper care for yourself. This is amazing. This is a $50,000 benefit right here. As long as you're 150 miles away from home or more, you'll be able to use this service. You can apply 50% more of your Dream Trip points to buy down the trips even more. You have access to telemedicine, doctor on the phone, wherever you're at, just call them up and ask advice, and they'll zap the prescription wherever the nearest pharmacy is near you. We also have international roadside assistance. Now, that's all packaged in the platinum membership. And once again, it's not even $2,000, guys. It's not even $1,000. It's actually only a one-time fee of $300. That is it. You get all that back in points immediately, and it's $100 a month for your dues, and you get all that back in points on your 1-year anniversary. We're running a promotion right now where we double your points when you enroll, so you're able to use even more points on the platform to buy down products and hotel nights and cruises, and or buy down your dream trip. So that's pretty exciting. So hey, if you're going to travel in the next few months, then it's costing you money not to get one of these memberships. Now, if you have some friends that love to travel too, you refer them the gold membership, you earn 100 points. You refer them a platinum membership, you're going to make 200 points. And if you enroll 4 friends, you just refer 4 friends and they get the membership, then we waive your monthly fees. Okay, so if you're a gold, you refer 4 golds, your fees are waived. If you're a platinum, you refer 4 platinums, your fees are waived, but we still give you the points every single month, which is really exciting and stuff. And so a percentage of every membership sold worldwide goes to support our kids with the World Ventures Foundation. And we're national partners with the Boys and Girls Club and the Nancy Lieberman Foundation, building dream courts all around cities around the U.S. We also work with Hug It Forward, where we're building bottle schools in Guatemala, over 120 schools there now. So it's pretty exciting. So if you like to travel, buy a membership. It helps the kids. So what I want to do real quick is just transition real quickly here and talk about this next piece that's totally optional. But how many people do we know that would love to travel like that? A ton of people, right? And how many people do we know that would love to make more money or more income if they could? So real quick, I want to talk about it's the right opportunity at the right time. Travel is the largest industry in the world at $8 trillion. And it's the perfect plan B to have in addition to what you're already doing. And so Mark Zuckerberg, this guy founded Facebook, right? But who really built Facebook? We did, right? With our friends, our videos, our posts, our likes, all of that. So he created this platform business similar to Amazon's and Netflix and all these different other platforms out there, these billion-dollar companies. But how are we actually making money from that? Well, we have a chance for you to make money here by becoming a representative with us. It's a one-time fee of $100, one time, and $20 a month. And we do all your commission calculating. We 1099 you at the end of the year. And we give you marketing websites, all kinds of cool stuff to build your business. Now, there's no guarantees of income. You get out of it what you put into it. These are our average incomes there on the right-hand side, from $245 all the way to over $500,000 a year. And you can see that basically it's the 80-20 rule. 20% earned a paycheck, 80% did not. So what does that mean? That means January, the gym is full. February, the gym is empty. All right, you want to make a little bit of money? Show a little bit of people. You want to make an okay amount of money? Show an okay amount of people. You want to make a lot of money? Show a lot of people. So this is, as long as you're plugging in the trainings and skill development and all of that, then you hit these ranks, then you're going to earn those incomes right there. All right. So how do you earn your income back? Well, it's really simple. Just refer 6 Dream Trip customers. If you do that, the average person refers 5 gold to 1 platinum. You're going to make $500. Now, if you came in as a gold and a rep, you're looking at $370, and then you made $500, so you're in profit, right? And then you just duplicate that, all right? And so you work with your team and help them get their 6 and make their money back, and so on and so on and so forth. They're waiving their customer fees. As your team grows, we have a ranking system within the company, and those are the average incomes you can earn based on the memberships that are being sold in your organization. That's not you by yourself. That's your whole team working together, building their teams within your team and all of that. All right, just to recap, so you can become a gold or a platinum member and then add it to the rep if you want to be on the business side. All right, so the last thing I want to share with you that I need to share with you before you end this video is this. Your friend is talking to other people, but you have a chance to get the next best position in their team, all right? And let's say you lock that position. All of a sudden, Bob comes in. They told Bob after you, he watched this video after you. Well, guess what? He would be in your team, and anything he does for the rest of his life in World Ventures will benefit you. But for some reason, if you need to go think about it, that's cool. You're going to go over there in the think about it corner, and then Bob's going to take your position. And then when you do want to come back in, you're actually underneath Bob. And see that Bob's selling all the memberships, but you're not benefiting from them because you waited. And so here's the main thing. If you get in right now, are you going to have all these people on your team? I'm not promising you that, but I will promise you this. If you don't get positioned now, you're promised to have 0 people on your team. All right. So with that said, get back with the person that got you on this video and let them know if you're an A, B, or a C. C means, hey, thanks, but no thanks. It's really not for me. I'm going to keep on playing retail prices for the rest of my life. Kind of joking, but kind of serious too. All right. If you're a B, that means, hey, I like it. I just got to figure out gold or platinum, and just let them know that you're a B. If you're an A, you can't wait for me to shut up so you can sign up. So let them know if you're an A, B, or a C. Text them back, call them back, because if the shoe was on the other foot, you'd want to know as well, right? All right, let us know if you're an A, B, or a C, and we'll see you at the next Dream Trip.